Good evening, viewers. The Meghalaya government today decided not to extend the 3-day lockdown which was imposed in the Shillong agglomeration area following inputs from the district administration and the health department. Informing this to reporters, Deputy Chief Minister Shri Preston Tinsong said that the lockdown would not continue in the Shillong agglomeration area. However, restrictions would continue to be in place in all those areas which have been declared as containment areas. Although the lockdown has been lifted, the government has appealed to all citizens to remain vigilant and to follow all the health protocols which have been issued from time to time. The lockdown in the Shillong agglomeration area will end today midnight, while there are more than 30 areas which have been contained in and around the Meghalaya capital.
In the review meeting chaired by the Honorable Chief Minister, we have taken one important decision. After taking into considerations all inputs we got, be it from the district administration as well as from health department, as you all know that the total lockdown we reimposed 2 days back, which is due to end today evening at 12 o'clock. The government has decided not to extend the lockdown tonight from 12 midnight. There will be no more lockdown from the midnight of 29 July 2020. However, in the meeting, we decided that the random testing will be aggressively conducted in the entire state of Meghalaya. And this decision we taken long time back, I think few days back, where we decided by the government that random testing will be done through the 71 clusters as already informed to all of you. So the testing by antigen test will go on aggressively. That is the decision number one we taken today. Point number two, we also decided in the meeting to appeal to all the concerned citizens of the state. Though the lockdown is lifted especially in Shillong agglomeration or Shillong urban area, people should not be complacent. They need to take care of themselves as notified by the state health department from time to time. I would therefore request on behalf of the government all the citizens of Shillong agglomeration as well as the citizens of the state to kindly be vigilant and also stay safe by adhering in totality the protocols, SOPs issued by the government. This is for the safety of our state as a whole. Kaya karena ka subject yung laikren, ki containment zones kabamut kinangyan. balai ngilek declare ka containment zone lani ka containment area kolongba nakaliang jo ka health department bakin yo banle ya ka detail contact tracing nakata ka daw habadon ka nuko positive cases kabanang ni sekmat na ni kabaladep ru ni declare ka kum ka containment area lani ka containment zone khnang ba kah ki health workers kinyo ban pendep lut ji gitu nadong sedong but hadin ba adep nang ta hadin ba ngilayo pada ka recommendation nakaliang jong ka health department ba hoy la adep lut nadong sedong la biang te nakaliang jong ka district administration kin salif no ya ka containment zone kat kum ka recommendation jong ka health departmentพี่เป็นยากเรนยากกัดนุสงิงมละบันมาไตmar kumoพี่มันta ngayo positif manga te kat nungut ki don hakatu ke area ki primary contact nang ta kat bangidang simi kita primary subu yo asu positif su lese kita ki primary contact again ye kita nya bia tingin mla ban ong kat nusgi ngimla ban ong arso genta ngimla ban ong sau phopra genta namar ba komo phi ngile ka ni containment zone kalong be kumno bingila ban kier bat banti telong bakanum don ka community spread te bakanum don ka community spread ka bamut ka contact tracing ka de ka bedon kam tam na ka benta kinong song snong jong jela jong i tenga katpat beginong song snong hakitu ki area ki baha pa ka containment zone kin sengau baha ban ya sya sitom lem bat ka sorkar bat ngin persang kat bala ban penkloy khnang ba ka containment zone ngila ban lift hakapor ka babiang hakabakin nam sofa le ni kinam sitom palat kinong song snong hakitu ki jaka.
All these containment areas, the contact tracing is still going on. And we have seen that with this lockdown, it has helped us a lot for the 3 days lockdown. But in the meantime, all those containment areas where we have done the contact tracing, we have completed the contact tracing, all those tests have come out negative, we are withdrawing. Today, I think one snow we have already withdrawn, and all the other areas where we have not completed the contact tracing, there's still some left. Then that containment area, that containment is still invoked, still invoked.
Yakaniru nginam la ban ong bangin penbun ngit penduna ngi nakaliang ka sarkar ngi kemilenti bangin penduna tenrei la de case pada kimi sya chisat te kamot ngimban se habban le ka containment zone le ni containment area ka song kat kum ka case to case basis tengin pet kalong kumlu tenrei we wish ban ngang scam tong ini kit bok kiru yang langlu ba nang ni sekmat let's say ki positive cases kin here kat bala khnang bangin nim declare ya ki jaka ki babun kum ki containment zone. Well, I think the details as of now we don't have much, but of course our concern is also, as rightly mentioned by DHS, is this: we would like to make sure that the citizens of those places where containment zone is declared, we want to see that we lift the containment zone as much faster as possible. Therefore, the health workers team are fully on the ground for the contact tracing, and once that is completed and once the report is also negative, then the containment zone can be lifted. Ngakwa ru ban place on record akan kapor hakini ki lais ngi ka lockdown ka total lockdown ka bangila impose nadu ka arpun luturik hadu menta ka arpun dai tarik ka ban kut sibit siteng met ngi ai khoblei kerpang na kaliang ke sarkar ngi ai khoblei kerpang na kaliang joka health department ya ka management ka committee kabangi ong ka COVID-19 management committee halaki jong ki snong hakabalayalam lengba ki rangba snong ki nong kit kam snong rengkat bat ka tim jo ki borok kawai ki balia tresi tom lang bat ka sorkar ban pentikna ba ki pajba kinumi klem kanu kono ka kam lane ba kin husiar batru bakin yadai ladi ngiyo i ya kajing trei shitom jong kini ki borsnong halaka jong ka snong bat ni ai kajing khoblei ka bakerpang yakin nong sensar snong kinong yalam snong kibadon kabenta ka bakrau bania trelang bat ka sorkar jelam begla baro kawei kata kadai kabenta ka ba ngilasim ya karai hakani ka janmit haka review meeting hapo ka jingalam jong u chief minister badon burom jong ni